This is the Samsung smartwatch and we want to connect it to the smartphone. Stay tuned, we'll show how it works. We got a Samsung smartwatch here and we want to pair it with our smartphone. I have the Watch Pro here, but it doesn't make a difference whether you have the Watch 4, the Watch, or the Watch 6, the instructions are the same. 3 important facts that you should consider. Number 1, your Samsung smartwatch cannot be with Apple. Number 2, you need Android 6 or higher as an operating system. And 3, your Samsung smartwatch cannot be paired with Huawei, even if it is nowhere to be found. I tried it with several models. With current models, it was not possible to pair them with Huawei. But enough talking, let's get started. Step 1, select the language. You confirm this here with checkbox. Now you choose the country where you are and restart. Then the watch starts again. The watch has restarted. Welcome. Now we go up here and here are the first steps, what we should do. Our watch. Here the language, help, input help and much more. What we have to do next is of course that we take our smartphone in our hand and download and the app that goes with it. And as soon as we hold our smartphone close to the watch is already recognized and we asked if we want to connect it. Of course we choose that and at the same time the app is downloaded here, the Samsung app, and it is Samsung Wearable. And after the app has been downloaded here, we are now asked if we want to allow the app. Of course we have to confirm that, otherwise the whole thing will not work. So on allow. And next we have to start the app, which is called Wearable, as already mentioned before. And here we click on continue. Now we confirm this code, we see it here on the watch, so confirm. Then on allow. Now the current software is downloaded. Software has been downloaded and we come to the next step and then we have almost done it. Now of course we have to agree with everyone here and on continue, then again on allow. Allow. Allow everything. Now scroll down and on agree. I agree. Now you have the option to download updates manually or automatically. I say automatically, then I have to worry about anything. Now the watch is being prepared. This also takes a few minutes. In the next step, the Google account information will be called. By the way, if you are wondering which smartphone I use here, this is a Samsung A52s and I will now this with my Watch Pro. Now you log in with your account and say continue. Then you have the option to use a PIN. Now we are logged in here. It takes a few minutes. Now you have the option to download apps here. If you don't want that, then go ahead. Otherwise, the apps here. The browser and WhatsApp are already installed. We see that here. You can skip this point too. I do. Now 2, the option to create a backup. I don't want that now, but you can hack it if you say I want to be secured. Then go ahead. Then there is the option here for a noteworthy function, i.e. that a specific contact is called. Go ahead. Here you are shown the most important functions. You can skip all of this here. And now the whole thing is completed. Everything is done. We are ready to go. We can get started. We see the watch is being started here. And here are different menu items. But we'll get to that in video. That was the first installation today, i.e. how do I install the watch, the Samsung Watch, with my And we just did that. Now we have the option to take a tour of our watch. That's why we take the watch in our hand and look at what else is here. Here we click on Start. And now helpful tips are shown here, i.e. we can swipe from top to bottom. Then we see the menu items here. Then from bottom to top. We do that in this tutorial. Then the whole thing is done. Here we already have the apps. Now swipe down again. From left to right. Then tap on the notifications. Again from left to right. Unfortunately, I can't skip the tutorial here. Here you are explained everything you have to do or what you can do so that everything works here. So that's it. Here we still have the message. Orange on a book shows new notifications. So that's basically it. Our watch is ready for use. And we now have all the options available. All functions are available to us. If you have any questions about this video, then write it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.